In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Claude code on Windows, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop the app if it's running and then cleanly uninstall it from your computer. We'll start by making sure Claude code isn't running in the background. This matters because Windows won't properly remove an app that's still active. On your desktop, right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and choose Task Manager. Give it a moment to load the list of processes. Look through the list for anything labeled Claude code or Claude. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar at the top to type Claude and filter the results. If the Claude app appears and shows as running, right-click it and choose End Task. That simply stops the app for now so the uninstall can proceed smoothly. With the app closed, open your Windows settings. You can do this from the Start menu or by selecting the gear icon if it's pinned. In Settings, click on Apps to view the area where Windows manages installed software. Next, select Installed Apps. This page lists everything currently on your system. Scroll through the list until you find the Claude app. If the list is long, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by typing Claude. Once you've found Claude, click the three dots to the right of its name. From the menu that appears, choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Go ahead and accept, then follow any on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation. The prompts may vary slightly depending on the version you have, but just continue confirming until the process finishes. A couple of quick tips as you work through this. Ending the task in Task Manager doesn't uninstall the app, it only closes it so you can remove it cleanly. If you don't see Claude in Task Manager, that usually means it isn't running, and you can go straight to Settings to uninstall. In the Apps section, some Windows versions label this area slightly differently, but installed apps is where you'll find the full list. And when following the uninstaller prompts, keep the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them. After the uninstaller completes, you're all set. If you like, you can return to installed apps to confirm it's no longer listed. That's it. Claude Code has been removed from your Windows computer.